Instead, he was served assigned to reset one for today.
Good morning. This is cause number 2020-36591 in the interest of Serenity and J.C. Gomez. All parties, please raise your right hands and be sworn. Solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yeah.
Ms. Gomez, okay.
Did you say yes, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the children.
Christina Gamboa. I'm their mother.
All right. And for the state?
Sharday Parker, Your Honor, and I also have one witness, Arnaldo Barrera, Your Honor.
All right. Raise your hand. You swear, you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All right. Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Jeremy Gomez Sr. Court will note that Mr. Gomez was in court on January 26, 2021, and signed a reset order setting this matter for hearing, Zoom hearing for today. He is not checked in, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor, he has not appeared.
All right. Let's proceed by default.
Your Honor, the state has one exhibit. Do you have the exhibit? I just want to make sure. The Bureau of Labor Statistics.
Yes.
And Your Honor, that exhibit, we're asking that it be admitted, is self-authenticating under Texas Rule of Civil Procedure 902 subsection 5 as an official publication.
And how do you want to mark it?
State's Exhibit 1, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Gamboa, do you have any objection for me looking at this State's Exhibit 1?
No.
All right, State's Exhibit 1 is admitted.
Okay. Your Honor, the state would like to call Christina Gamboa. Miss Gamboa, what is your full name?
Christina Gamboa.
Who is Serenity Gomez?
My daughter.
How old is Serenity?
4.
What is Serenity's birth date?
September 21st, 2016.
Who is Serenity's father?
Jeremy Wayne Gomez.
And how do you know that Jeremy Wayne Gomez is Serenity's father?
Because I only had relations with him.
And who is Jace Gomez?
My son.
How old is Jace?
1.
When is Jace's birth date?
June 7th, 2019.
Who is Jace's father?
Jeremy Wayne Gomez.
And how do you know that Jeremy Wayne Gomez is Jace's father?
Because I only had relations with him. Sit down.
Okay. Is there a possibility that anyone else could be the father of your children?
No, ma'am.
And are you requesting that this court establish a parent-child relationship between Serenity Gomez, Jace Gomez, and Jeremy Wayne Gomez?
Yes.
Okay. And to your knowledge, does Mr. Gomez have any other children?
Yes.
How many other children does he have?
He has 3 older children.
And do you know whether those children are on child support orders?
Yes, they are.
Okay. And when was the last, have you ever lived with Mr. Gomez?
No.
Has he provided financially for your children since they've been born? Has he provided financially for your children?
No.
When was the last time you had any type of communication? Oh, no, sorry. When was the last time Mr. Gomez has had any type of communication with the children?
Like 30 days ago, he's seen them at his father's funeral, but he hasn't took them or had actual like sit down time with them. He just seen them visually. That was the last time about a month ago. Other than that, he doesn't see them.
How often does he contact you about their general welfare?
He doesn't contact me directly. He talks to my daughter, and I wouldn't know. I don't talk to him at all concerning the children.
Okay. Who makes the day-to-day decisions about your children?
I do.
Who takes them to dental and doctor's appointments?
I do.
And in your opinion, who has raised them up to this point?
I have.
And is this why? And does Mr. Gomez give first priority to the children's welfare when making parenting decisions?
No.
And is this why you're requesting that you be named the managing conservator of the children and Mr. Gomez the possessory conservator?
Yes.
And you feel that this would be in the best interest of your children for you to be the sole managing conservator?
Yes.
And you're also requesting that you be designated as a managing conservator with the exclusive right to designate the primary residence of the children within Harris and contiguous counties, correct?
Yes.
Why are you requesting that Mr. Gomez have a supervised visitation through the Harris County Domestic Relations Office? Why are you requesting that?
He doesn't have a steady residence. I don't know where he lives. He can't keep a residence. I don't think he has a residence at the time right now. So I don't know where my kids are when they're with him.
Okay, so just to kind of make sure we understand, you believe that he may be homeless?
Yeah, basically.
Okay.
I mean, I don't know. That's why if he were to take them, if he wouldn't return them, I wouldn't even know where to go start looking for them. That I know his driver's license address is old. He hasn't updated it, so I don't know.
Okay, so you have concerns about about your children's safety if they were with him somewhere unsupervised.
Correct.
Okay. Is there private health or dental insurance available for your children to you at a reasonable cost?
No.
What type of insurance are your children on now?
Medicaid.
And are you requesting that this court set medical support based on the information from the Bureau of Labor Statistics at $146 per month beginning on May 1st, 2021?
Yes.
And are you also requesting that he be responsible for 50% of all uncovered healthcare expenses, correct?
Yes.
And in terms of the child support, are you requesting that Mr. Gomez be ordered to pay $619 per month, giving him credit for those 3 other children based on the information in the Bureau of Labor Statistics? And it will begin on May 1st, 2021, correct?
Yes.
And you're also requesting retroactive child support in the amount of $24,669 to be paid back at $174 per month beginning May 1st, 2021, correct?
Correct.
Okay. And are you also requesting that court costs be billed to Mr. Gomez?
Yes.
And you're requesting that those be paid as billed, correct?
Yes.
And you're asking this court to grant this default judgment because you believe it's in the best interest of your children, correct?
Correct.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right, we're going back 4 years from date of filing. Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
2020. All right. Ma'am, do you know what type of work he does?
He's a
Oh,
tow
I
truck
see.
driver.
And how long has he been doing that?
Since I've known him.
Which has been how long?
About 14 years, maybe.
Okay. All right. Have another witness, Miss Parker.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I have one more question for Miss Gamboa. I just thought about it. Miss Gamboa, last year, was Mr. Gomez still employed as a truck driver?
Yes. He's always been employed.
As a truck driver.
Yes.
And was he also receiving some other type of
Yeah, he was getting unemployment.
last year, correct?
Yes.
But he was also still working as a truck driver while he was getting that, correct?
Yes.
Okay, Your Honor, the state would like to call Arnaldo Barrera.
All right.
Mr. Barrera, where are you employed?
The Office of the Attorney General,
How long have you been employed there?
15 years.
And what is your position there?
Child Support Officer,
And what are the duties and responsibilities of a child support officer?
to conduct investigations on calculating child support and retroactive child support.
And have you received any special training to conduct those investigations?
Yes, I have.
And did you conduct an investigation in this case?
Yes, I did.
And what were the findings of that investigation?
Based on the fact that Mr. Gomez is a tow truck driver, and based on the Bureau of Labor Statistics, his monthly gross income is $4,059.
And did you also calculate child support?
Yes, based on that, giving him credit for $146 for medical and taxes, child support should be $619 beginning May 1st, 2021.
Did you also give him credit for three? You also gave him credit for three other children, correct?
That is correct.
And did you calculate medical support?
Based on his income, his medical support should be
And did you calculate retro as well?
retroactive child support was also calculated from September 2016 to present, given based on income provided by the Bureau of Vital Statistics from September 2016 through March of 2020, and then from April 2020 through December, I used benefits that were being received by him, and then from January 2021 present, I also used the Department of Labor statistics. His retro child support should be $24,009 as of today's date.
And what was the payback amount on that?
The paid amount on that will be $174 beginning May 1st, 2021, and monthly thereafter.
Your Honor, I have no further questions for this witness.
All right. The court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All right, Ms. Gamboa, you can hang up since you've already